So this is a great moment, sir. The living root bridges have been sent as India's nominations. As you know, India can nominate only one proposal. So from whole country they selected the living root bridges to be sent as the nomination for the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So it has taken 10 years to prepare this dossier. Thousands of meetings have taken place. Multiple reports have been done. Thousands of field visits have been done. It's a very long process. It looks very simple. But for last 10 years, this is being worked on. I'm very happy that finally we have reached this stage. And I'm very hopeful that this will come through. And this will indeed be not just a proud moment for us, sir, but it will be a tribute to our forefathers. It will be a tribute to our tradition. It will be a tribute to our state, sir. So we really look forward for that.